Hi guys, MyTechTalks back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a screen replacement on this iPhone 8 Plus. Now, reason I'm doing this because this panel is a third-party panel and it's a very dodgy panel. It keeps on flickering all the time and it doesn't respond to touch. So I'm just going to power it off and we're going to get right into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out the two pentalobe screws at the bottom with your screwdriver. I'm using the iFixit toolkit. You're just going to put those on the iFixit toolkit. You can get this all down below in the description. Links are down below. You're going to put them down below. I'm just going to speed this up right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a couple of pry tools in there and basically slice through the adhesive, but be careful because on the right side there is a ribbon cable, as I'm going to show you in a second. And basically I'm just going to point that out right now, and there you go, there's the ribbon cable you do not want to slice into because you kill the screen. But if you're going to replace the screen anyway, doesn't matter too much really. But if you plan to keep the screen, just be careful. They're the 4 screws you need to remove to get to the LCD screen and the battery. So I recommend removing the battery connector first so you don't fry anything. Your choice, but personally I would do that. So there you go, I'm going to show you right there. That's the one you need to remove first with your plastic pry piece tool. Don't use metal because you'll fry something. Use plastic, it's always better. There you go, right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to do the same for the LCD and the earpiece connector as well. So there you go, you're going to see I'm going to switch over to the Y000 screw. Apple uses weird screws in their screens and stuff. I think it's from the iPhone 8 and up. I'm just going to show you in a second where the screws are for the earpiece. They're the 3 screws for the earpiece you need to remove, and the front camera. I'm just going to speed through this really quick. Detaching the home button, be careful when you're doing this because if you basically screw this bit up, you won't be able to, use your home button again, and as it's a touch sensitive one, it doesn't actually click, so you're gonna have to get that fixed to Apple directly if you screw it up. And what you do is you just remove the home button and you drop it through the screen and then put it back up through the screen and lay it in, and there's a little bit of adhesive on the old screen if you want to just be careful of that. And I'm just going to replace the earpiece right now, and when you're putting this on the new screen, it's going to take you a while to put that into place. It's like an origami thing. It's really frustrating. It really is. It took me about over an hour and 20 minutes, hour and 10 minutes ish to do this entire project just for the screen because of that earpiece was taking forever. This is why I'm speeding through this entire process so you don't get bored. And basically what you're going to see right now is me just taking my time with this, because as soon as you better you take your time really than go fast and everything and screw it up and everything like that. Pun not intended, screw it up, you literally weren't intended. So what I'm going to do now is I'm now going to take off the back plate off of the old iPhone 8 Plus screen. Going to speed this through here, connects the cables and the new backplate with the screws, with the Y000 screws, and we're just going to reconnect it. And you might want to get a new adhesive seal if you're doing this yourself. They're like £2.50 off eBay or something like that, so it's not that expensive. Anyone will do pretty much. I'm just going to turn it on right now, and there you go. It's powering up absolutely perfect. Just going to put my pin in real quick and just check it all over before you seal it down with the new adhesive. I'm not putting a new adhesive on yet because I'm just I've got to replace the housing and put a new battery in it and take everything out of it. I'm going to make this into a custom gold back, gold side and black screen iPhone 8 Plus one day in the future. Then I'll probably sell it on in the future. Now, if you're going to do this yourself, make sure to take your time, get the correct bits and a good toolkit like the iFixit toolkit. It's not a sponsored video, but I'm going to put these links down below if you want to purchase them. You don't have to if you don't want to, but they're there if you need to on Amazon. And that's pretty much it. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video if you liked what you saw, and just going to put the bottom 2 pentalobe screws in. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.